What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are in New York. It was actually a really crazy travel day to get here. Just like it all just kind of like extended out. Like Brooke's bag got taken to the side, and then they were like, oh, we just need it x-rayed again. And then when they went to x-ray it again, that woman like ended her shift and just like left it. So like all weird stuff. Anyway, we got here, all good. We had a feed last night and now we are up and we're gonna go and explore. We have a Yankees game tonight. So today we're just gonna go and have a bit of a look around, go through the park, have some lunch, just some like simple stuff like that. We'll obviously take you guys along and we'll show you everything we do. And we've got something really cool happening just before we go to the Yankees game. And I'll explain that to you guys in a bit. But for now, we need to go down, get some Starbucks, get something in my belly, and we'll head over to Central Park. That are interested in property, I'm really interested in property. So just to give you an idea, we're on the Upper East Side. That one at the top is a 5-bed 4-bar. It's $19 million US. This one here, 4-bed 5.5 bar, 11.5 million. This one here, 6-bed 7 and 2.5 baths, 22 million. But if you want to come down to something that's, I guess, not a joke, 2-bed 2-bath, 900,000. I think that's probably quite cheap, I'd guess. Down here we've got a 1-bed 1-bath, $1.25 million. That's a lot of bags of sand. Plus you've got all the taxes and all that sort of stuff. But just thought I'd give you guys some insight because I've always wondered. So this stuff will make me stop in my walk. So here, 5-bed 4.5 bath, almost $7 million. And I think that's $14,000 worth of monthly taxes. No way, sure. Well, it must be because, oh no, it wouldn't be monthly. This one's 5-bed 4-bar, $20 million, $6,500 worth of monthly taxes. Like rooftop and stuff, don't get me wrong, like that's incredible, especially on Upper East Side.
And it's in Chelsea, not the Upper East Side.
Okay, so that's Chelsea. So this one was the Upper East Side.
Yeah, the one that's
the 22 million. But 6-bed 7 bath, that's a lot of land for the Upper East Side. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Just something a little bit interesting for you guys. Just a little observation for you all. We're on the Upper East Side at the moment. This is what the streets look like, the footpaths and stuff. I know it sounds simple. It's very, very clean. Brooke was just telling me, and it, like she pointed it out to me, and it's very, very different. I'll show you the Upper West later. So we've just come to Dell's Barbecue. It's like the best restaurant in New York ever. It's near the theatres, and if you're here, you've got to give it a go. You've got to give it a go. It's incredible. It's really well priced. It's incredibly tasty. Just do it. All right, a little bit of story time. Nothing crazy, but just to give you guys a bit of information about what we're about to do. Obviously, roll the clock back, 2020, not much to do. I was talking to the boys and I'm like, oh yeah, I've got nothing to do. Stuck around the house, what should I do? And they're like, get a PlayStation. So I got one, started playing Call of Duty with the boys again. Haven't played since I was like 12 years old, but it was great fun. One day the boys went online, I was queued up with random people, and this random American dude was in my lobby. Chatting away, had a couple of games, had a whole bunch of wins, and the dude was a legend. And we were like, man, we got to like add each other on here so we can play again. Fast forward to 2022, guy's name's Moddy. I've actually done a COD video about him because we stir each other up all the time. He is now in the boys chat. All the boys know him. He's friends with all of us. We've probably spoken every single day for the last 2 years. And I said to him, hey man, look, I'm coming to America. So he was like, oh, we've got to catch up. So he's actually driving all the way up to New York. He's almost here, and we are going to go and catch up in the lobby, meet him for the first time ever. Obviously, like we talk every single day almost, and you know the boys had video chats and all that sort of stuff. So it feels like I've known him forever, but never actually met him in person. So he's going to meet at our hotel, and then me, him, and Brooke are going to shoot down to the subway, grab the subway all the way up to Yankee Stadium, and we're going to go and watch a Yankees game, and we're just going to hang out tomorrow as well. So yeah, it's going to be really cool, and we're going to go head down and meet Moddy for the first time ever.
Just a video of you. Oh my gosh, doesn't want to be in the video.
You are such a weirdo.
I don't know, that's
Alright, so the Yankees game was sick. They didn't win, which is devastating, but it was cool to be there and get around the atmosphere and all that kind of thing. All American sports, like the atmosphere is just next level. I've never seen it anywhere else, and it's awesome. So we did that, jumped on the subway, came back home. We are about to jump on the subway again. Moddy's coming back to our hotel to meet us, and we're gonna jump on the subway and head down to Brooklyn, and we're gonna kind of make our way up the island. So obviously Brooklyn's not on Manhattan Island, but we're gonna go there, have a look around, check some things out, and then walk across the bridge back to Manhattan, and then kind of walk our way up. So it's gonna be a big walking day. Yesterday I think we did almost 30,000 steps. Today's gonna probably trump that. So it's gonna be good. I'll take you guys along and show you what we see. Please give me the energy to walk across this bridge. Okay, we're on the corner of Mott Street and Prince Street, and a little cupcake bake shop. We just saw it and thought, ah, let's get a cupcake. Best cupcake I've ever had in my life. If you're here, go there, definitely. So apparently that's the friend's apartment up there?
It's not apparently.
Well, it's not apparently, it is. But to be honest with you, what's impressing me more is the vines over there. That looks sick.
Good
All right, so that is it for the New York part of the holiday. We've got a couple more hours here. We're just going to go down, throw our bags in Moddy's car. He's going to take us to LaGuardia, which is the airport we're getting, well, the airport we have to get to fly to New Orleans. So we're flying at like 2, yeah, something like that. So we're going to get there for midday. So it's only early. We get a couple hours, chuck our bags in his car, go and explore the park a little bit, get some coffees, that kind of stuff, and then head there. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in New Orleans.